Back in 2015, Ferrari revealed the 488 GTB at the Geneva Motor Show as a replacement for the fabled 458 Italia. Fast forward 4 years later, and the Italian automaker is retiring the 488 GTB. Taking its place is the F8 Tributo. While rumors that Ferrari would present a new mid-engined supercar at this year's Geneva Motor Show were right, the F8 Tributo isn't a hybrid contrary to previous claims. Ferrari describes the 488 GTB successor as one of the fastest, most thrilling and communicative supercars ever. In case you were wondering, the peculiar name is a homage to the supercar's sensational mid-mounted powertrain, which is the most powerful V8 ever fitted to a Ferrari. Under the hood is the same twin-turbo 3.9-liter V8 that powers the hardcore 488 Pista, generating 720 horsepower and 568 lb-ft of torque. Compared to its predecessor, the F8 Tributo packs 50 more horsepower and 7 more lb-ft, enabling the mid-engined supercar to sprint from 0-62 mph in 2.9 seconds. That's 0.1 seconds faster than the 488 GTB. 0-124 mph takes 7.8 seconds before the F8 Tributo reaches a top speed of 211 mph to match the Pista, making it 6 mph faster than the car it replaces. Ferrari claims this is achieved without the slightest hint of turbo lag. Not only does the F8 Tributo pack more power than the 488 GTB, but it also significantly lighter. Ferrari has managed to shave off 88 pounds, meaning the F8 Tributo now weighs just 2,932 pounds with all the lightweight options included. Aerodynamic efficiency has also improved by 10% compared to the 488 GTB thanks to modifications made to the restyled body. At the front is an S-duct that debuted on the 488 Pista, which has been redesigned to contribute an impressive 15% to the overall increase in downforce compared to the 488 GTB. New, more compact, horizontal LED headlights have also made room for new brake cooling intakes in combination with those on the outside of the bumper to improve airflow throughout the entire wheel arch without having to increase the size of the braking system to cope with the car's greater speed. There are even a few design tributes to some of Ferrari's most iconic supercars. The spoiler wraps around the taillights, allowing a return to the classic twin light cluster and body-colored tail seen on the 308. Elsewhere, the louvered Lexan engine cover is a clear nod to the F40. Inside, the interior has also been redesigned to incorporate round air vents, a fresh steering wheel design, new controls, and a new 7-inch passenger touchscreen display. No word yet on pricing or when customer deliveries will start, but the Ferrari F8 Tributo will be on display at the 2019 Geneva Motor Show on March 5.